Are you okay, Sophie? Oh, there she goes. She's normal again. For a second. Sophie, you crazy? You crazy? Don't look at me like that. You just stink eye. What in the world is this dog? Sophie? How do you do it? Nope. A little bit. Oh, then she's sticking her tongue out. Look at that. I think she's done. Who's your wet doggy? Looks like Yoda. Really fuzzy Yoda. Whoa! You gonna go crazy, Mrs. Sophie Wolfie? No, you're done. You're done, Sophie. You're done.